Hello and welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to create your digital portfolio using Google Sites. This digital portfolio is where we're going to document the work throughout the year, including our idea development, the process, our finished work, as well as reflecting on each project. At the end of each semester this year, we will be presenting these digital portfolios to the class. So you want to put your best effort towards it and make it unique and personalized to who you are. So I'll go ahead and get started. So we are going to be using Google Sites. You want to make sure that you're logged into your school email. And at the top right, there should be the Google Apps waffle. To get to Google Sites, you're just going to click that. You can be from your email or just from Google. And you want to look for the icon that says Sites below it, SITES. So this is what it looks like. It's like a blue. You'll click that and you'll be taken to this page right here. You might not have any recent sites. I have all my previous students' work here as examples, and I'll be showing some of those to you as well this year. But I want to go ahead and show you how to get started. You're going to start a new site, and we're just going to start with a blank template here. So we're going to go ahead and click blank. And here you will see the first thing we're going to do is we're going to title the site. So it says untitled up here. We're going to click that and we're going to write our first and last names. You can use the name you go by if it's not your real first name. And then we're going to put the period, let's say period 1, and then point 1 if you're in Ceramics 1. Ceramics 2, we'll change it to Ceramics 1.2, and then Ceramics 3 will be 1.3. So the second part, the decimal, is what level ceramics you're in. I'm going to leave it at 1.1 for now. If you click on the enter site name below it, that should just copy right down below. The next thing I want you to do before you get very far right away is just go ahead and share this with me, and I will see it updated as it's updated. So press this button over here. It's the person plus. Once you click that, you're going to add people. You're just going to start writing my name. So you can start with BSOR. And it should come up right here. I have a little picture of myself and my cat. And then go ahead and press done when you are done with that. And that will share it with me. That will make it easier once we're doing presentations, that I'll be able to just find your site right away and we can have really smooth transitions. You also want to come up with a clever title page. This is our home page, so this is what we're going to be starting the presentations off with. I'm just going to put Swordsby's Ceramics. You could come up with something clever. A lot of people with ceramics, they play with different words like mud, or you could use art in there because ceramics is an art. Creations, creator, all kinds of different words or wordplay that you can have for your title. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to add some pages. So let me just make sure my picture is still there. There we go. So we're going to add some pages. So over here on the toolbar, you can see this is where all the stuff we can do happens, basically. So well, let's go to the middle one, pages. And down at the bottom, you'll see a little plus sign. You're going to add a new page. We're going to add a page for each construction technique that we learn here in this class. So the first one is pinch. So just write pinch and done. The next page will be coil, slab, and wheel thrown. We're also going to add a page for our warm-ups. Throughout this class, we're also going to be doing warm-ups. Every now and then, I'll just have something presented up on the board where you'll just copy whatever sculpture is up there. And I just started that this year, and it's been a lot of fun. Okay, so we have our basic layout done. You can see these are our different pages. They're shown over here as well as on the top. Let's go ahead and go back home, and I want to show you next how to insert different things. So if you want to insert different texts or images or something from your drive, you'll use those. But I like these content blocks a lot. It helps with the organization and just the general aesthetics of your site. So let's just go ahead and add a content block. This is a great way to start your homepage. I will ask you to include upload a photo of yourself. So you can find photos, send them to yourself, send them to your email, upload them onto your drive, whatever works, whatever is best for you. I will go ahead and just upload any image of myself, a creative portrait that I did for my class. And then you'll see that you can change the dimensions over here. So that is how you do that. You can also crop it. And over here, you're going to go ahead and write artist bio. And underneath here is where you're going to write a little bit of information about yourself and your style. Many of us are still developing our styles. So if you think about the different types of clothes you wear, different colors you like, certain imagery that you're into, just a little bit about yourself will go right below here. I also want to show you how to change the background, because this is the basic one. We want to personalize it. First of all, you can change the header type if you wanted it to be the whole cover when we open it up. That's, you press cover. If you ever want to preview what it looks like, if you look up here, there's a laptop and a cell phone. It says preview. You can press preview, and it'll show how the class will see it as it's presented up on the board. Let's exit preview. Also in this section, you can see that you can change the image. So you can either select an image or you can download one from your own photos. So you can really customize it. Going back over here to the side, you can see you can change the theme. Right now we're in simple, but we can go to Aristotle. You can see the font changes and the look of it changes. Diplomat has the square around it. So find one that you really enjoy and you can change that, the theme. You can customize your theme. I haven't played around with that, but I'd love to see some of you try that. And then you can import a theme as well. So going back to insert, if you scroll down, there's also a lot of options down here. You can have a collapsible group. I still need to play around with that as well. Image carousel is really fun. It adds, you can add multiple images to one space so that you scroll through them a little like Instagram. And yeah, play around with it, see what you like. This is just the bare bones. Make sure that you organize your work and that you update it constantly. It makes it a lot easier when you get closer to the end of the semester. When it's time to present, you're not going to have to stress out about it. So that is the digital portfolio. I hope you have fun with it, really enjoy it, get into it, personalize it, make it your own. And I look forward to seeing your presentations at the end of the year. All right, thank you. Bye.